Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best all-mountain skis that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Nordica Men's Steadfast 75 CA FDT skis. These skis are tailored for beginner and intermediate skiers, featuring a narrower waist and a well-balanced rocker-camber blend. This design excels in maneuverability, making it ideal for carving precise turns or enjoying relaxed downhill runs. The playful and versatile nature of these skis ensures that you can explore a variety of terrains and continue developing your skills. The construction of the Steadfast 75 CA is impressive, incorporating lightweight sidewalls with 2 wood stringers and a layer of carbon. This results in a smooth and stable ride that instills confidence in skiers as they progress. The included TP2 Compact 10 FDT bindings add convenience and allow for easy adjustments to fine-tune your skiing experience. While these skis offer a lot of value for beginners and intermediates, they may lack the high-performance capabilities that advanced skiers seek. Pros include their easy turning, stability, and included bindings, while cons are their narrower design, which might feel limiting on deeper powder. With a price range of $349.99 to $499.99, they represent excellent value for skiers looking to improve their skills without breaking the bank. Taking the third spot is the Dynastar Unisex M-Cross 78 skis. These skis are designed for all mountain freeride adventures, offering dependable construction and dynamic performance. With full sidewall construction from tip to tail, the M-Cross 78 maximizes edge grip and precision, making it a reliable choice for both hard snow and powder conditions. The hybrid core technology, combined with bidirectional poplar wood, ensures elasticity and responsiveness, delivering a smooth and playful skiing experience. One of the standout features is the Express 11 grip walk bindings that come included. These ultralight bindings are compatible with both traditional alpine and grip walk boot soles, adding to the versatility of this ski. The adaptable side cut transitions seamlessly between underfoot, tip, and tail geometry, offering stability on varied terrains. The durable top sheet construction ensures these skis can withstand the rigors of regular use. Priced between $324.99 and $399.97, the Dynastar M-Cross 78 is perfect for intermediate skiers who want a playful yet reliable ski. Pros include its durability, dynamic construction, and included bindings, while cons are its slightly heavier weight and limited suitability for advanced riders seeking peak performance. Overall, a fantastic choice for those who want to push their skills further. Claiming the top spot is the Fischer Unisex RC Fire skis. These skis shine as the ultimate all-mountain choice for beginner to intermediate skiers. Featuring a lightweight design thanks to air power technology, the RC Fire skis are incredibly easy to handle, making them perfect for building confidence on the slopes. The on-piste rocker ensures effortless turn initiation, allowing skiers to focus on mastering their skills. The FiberTech construction enhances maneuverability, with a special glass fiber network providing harmonious bending properties. While the extruded base material is less ideal for waxing compared to sintered bases, it delivers exceptional durability. The skis come in a sleek gray and red design, appealing to those who want both style and performance. The included bindings further add to the value of this package. With a price range of $249.95 to $329.97, the Fischer RC Fire skis represent unmatched value for beginners and intermediates. Pros include their lightweight construction, ease of use, and included bindings, while cons are their limited appeal to advanced skiers. Overall, these skis are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to transition from rentals or start their all-mountain skiing journey with confidence. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.